In this video, we're going to play a little bit with replacing colors. Now, I would definitely take a copy of this image before we do anything. So you can right-click and choose, duplicate image. I like to just hit Command-J, and that will duplicate my layer. That way you're not making a mess on your original image. At the very top of your screen, and I'm sorry it might be cut off for me, but there's an option at the top that says Image, and under Adjustments there is a Replace Color. Now let's say I really like this monochromatic sort of color scheme, but maybe I wanted to make it a little bit more complementary. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pick up my color with my color picker, this blue here. And maybe I kind of want to add some orange. So it's picked up this blue. Maybe I'm going to pick up this teal color, this turquoise color. So I'm going to pick that up. And the result is obviously defaulted at the same color. But I'm going to click on that. And I can go ahead and pick orange. And then maybe I can create this to be a little bit more complementary. So I'm going to turn out my saturation just a little bit. The hue is going to go through like a rainbow of slider changes, so I'm going to probably just leave that alone. And then I have the lightness factor. I kind of want it to be pretty bright there. And then I can also change the fuzziness, so I can turn that up if I really want a lot more. I'm just going to give it a little hint of that orange. Then I'm going to hit OK. So now I have, so if I don't like that, I can kind of hide that and I can make a copy. But now I have an image that has more complementary color scheme happening with the blue and orange.